You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word. A word from French, meaning from the region of Chartres in France. This is more famous for being the name of a cat breed. The French pronunciation is as Chartreux. Chartreux. Silent X if you cannot pronounce French perfectly. I suggest in English you say it as Chartreux. 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 Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.